Hello everyone, this is for all non-vegetarian lovers. Chicken fried rice, that's what I am going to show you today. Ajinomoto 2 eggs, black pepper 2 tablespoons, chili 3 to 4, soya sauce 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons, 500 gram, chopped onions, carrot 2 cups and capsicum also 2 cups, 6 cups. Now keep the water for boiling and add some salt. Take a pan and add some oil. Add some chopped carrots. Some chopped capsicums. Now take 2 to 3 eggs and put some salt and then mix it. Add some shredded chicken. Give it a good mix. Add black pepper and green chili. Take an egg pan and add some finely chopped onions. After it is boiled, add some rice. Now add some eggs mixture and cook it. I think we need one more egg. Now add the eggs mixture into the pan. Add soya sauce. And vinegar. Ajinomoto, some salt, mix it all. Little green chili sauce. Approximately 2 tablespoons. And mix it well. Now check the rice. Now separate the water from the rice. Now add rice and a cooked vegetable mixture. Do as I am doing. Fried rice made by my mother. Hope you will like the recipe. Give it a good mix. Cover it on a slow flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is ready to serve. Enjoy it. Watch my next video for the chicken corn soup recipe. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Bye.